Reed Johnson here. We're working on our smartwatch. It's time to add some sleekness to this watch by adding in some fillets. Fillets are the radiused corners that take a straight edge and turn it into a radius, so you get a smooth transition from one face to another. You'll notice a radius here at the top of the watch face, a radius here. Again, we're calling this a fillet here on the side of our watch band. Let's go ahead and add some of these fillets now in Fusion 360. So here's our watch so far. You can see it has the square edges. We're going to go ahead and round up these edges with some fillets. I'm going to start here under the modification menu, modify. I hit the pull down arrow and I'm going to find rule fillet. I'm going to start with the rule fillet. What a rule fillet does is it applies a fillet to any edge that a surface intersects. So I'm going to start with that one, rule fillet. It asks me first for a face. I'm going to pick the watch face right at the top, and I simply hover over it. It's going to highlight in white, and then I can click one time, click, and it's selected this face. It's going to take the entire edge here and make a fillet. All I need to do is enter my radius, which is going to be 0.05 inches. You'll watch the result happen in real time, and then you can click OK. Now that's our first fillet. Let's go ahead and add another fillet, this time to our watch band edges. This time I'll come up to Modify, do the drop down menu. I will do a regular fillet this time where I tell Fusion which edges I want to fillet. So I select first the right outside edge, click one time. Then I can rotate up here my view cube. I click on the other edge, other side of the smartwatch, and I will click the other exterior face of the watch band. Now you can see I've got the two faces, or two edges selected, the left and the right. All I need to do is add in my radius now, which this time I will do 0.1 or maybe a 0.05, make it a little bit less, 0.05. And here I'll say OK. Now I've got the edges radiused. I'm going to click back to the other side here. I'll do another fillet. I go to my modify, pull this down. I will select fillet again. And now I'm going to do the outside edges of these openings. So this edge here, I hover over it, it will highlight, I click, it turns blue. Then I can orbit over to the back side. Again, I'll use my view cube to be quick. Flip over here, hover over this outside edge of the opening cut, click, and now I've got both outside edges selected for these openings. I'm going to add this radius. I'll do 0.1, a little bit larger radius there, and I will say OK. And now I want to grab the inside edges of these openings. So again, I will go up to Modify, pull this down. I can do Fillet, pick my edges. I'll pick the inside edge of the opening on the left side, and orbit around to grab the right side also, and I will add in the radius here, 0.05, and I will say OK. Now my smartwatch is all sleek. It's got the curved edges and it is ready to be saved. So I hit save this as a new version.